Okay, so I'm not sure orientation wise how this comes out, but hopefully you got enough of a visual reference. So I just got this. I don't really know much about this brand, right? But and I may end up returning them. But this is a brand that I just got a pair of shoes from, and the thing that got me shooting this video is something that I love the small things, right? That any brand does to just make themselves original. So the brand is called, as you can see, Modern Fiction, right? And I didn't know exactly what to say. I was like, people make up all kinds of silly names. What? But then you open up the paper and then you start reading poetry, and I'm like, oh, they got my attention. She placed her glass down, and her sunburnished skin radiated across the marble of the piazza. Today is going to be, I can go on, right? And then at the end, of course, the towering amethyst Alps that sat deep. And then, of course, there's a little scratch off there at the periphery. Seemed to be created to match his azure eyes and his taupe-toned suiting. Ooh, it got my attention. Complimented her own voluminous chestnut hair. Come on. Anyway, listen, I know I might be sound like I'm being dramatic, but to be honest with you, this is, it's like, stuff like this is just brilliant. It's just brilliant. So anyway, and whatever you do today, make it original, and I'll show you the shoes, in a little bit, but if I like them, I may end up returning them. But this is the kind of stuff. Whatever you do, whatever your craft is, whatever your profession is, do it with such artistic form that it just captivates. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just makes people's moments, I should say. It doesn't have to make your entire day, but just make the moment. So anyway, that's all I have to say about that, y'all. Let's see. Ooh, okay, got these. Oh, yeah, you ready? Oh. I may end up returning them, like I said, but we shall see. All right, y'all. That's enough. All right. Back to work.